Hello YouTube, I'm David with the David West channel. Have you ever noticed that I use a Fatwood bearing block for all of my bow drill? We have tons of Fatwood around here. It's everywhere in the woods, even in the side yards. So these divots have gotten too deep, creates a lot of drag. I tried to make a couple divots on the back of this, but that backwards arch, that arch is uncomfortable in the hand when I have to use it like this. So there's no need to try to extend the life of this one. Let's just go ahead and make another one. Any old piece of Fatwood will do. It doesn't have to be pretty. Here's the Fatwood that I keep under my table, and you've seen me reach for it a dozen times to get some scrapings off of it or get some shavings. We'll just use this. I'll cut it off right here and maybe cut this thin part off. And I want to show you it works just fine. I've got this white oak set that I made the other day. Tiny, tiny spindle, which you have to have a small diameter spindle when you have very, very hard wood that has no chance of taking a thumbnail impression. And so we'll try it out on this tiny little bow drill set. Corona razor tooth saw, $25 at Tractor Supply. It's pretty dense. And I'll go ahead and take these sharp corners off. All right, now your best holes are going to be right in the center. I'll start off with 3 divots right here. And at some point you're going to use up the center and have to come off on the end. It's just less comfortable with your hand hanging over the edge. But I've eased all these corners. Let's put some starter divots in it now. Let's go ahead and try it out. And you can whittle this up and make it as smooth and as even, as symmetrical as you want. But this is what I'll use here. Not even any charring in that center divot. So if you have a chance to use some Fatwood for a bearing block, do definitely get some and try it out. And of course it has a dual purpose. I can still get scrapings off of here for fire starter. So I think I was bowing too fast. If you bow too fast, it'll make that dust so hot that it'll be used up. There may be some of that dust pile that will burn, but most of it's already been used up. So let me bow even slower since this is such a hard set. Let's put some pine needles dust on it to fortify it. Well, I couldn't get that hard set to produce, so now we'll switch to a softer set. This is a pine spindle on a highly degraded white oak fireboard. See if we can get some better results with this. Now, we don't have to do slow stroking with this one. We can get right on with it. Fatwood bearing block, it's the way to go. Get out of that smoke. Well, you can really tell it's high humidity today. Nothing wants to fire up. And of course it went to flames while I was carrying it out here.